was that we hung a few years back. We're on our dad's property. We hunted it yesterday and had some good action. Saw a couple young bucks. It's that time of year, late October, where you just never know what might happen. We got some rain coming later today. There's a couple scrapes about 100 yards from where we're sitting today. And I'm hoping they come through and check those scrapes before the rain. But we're going to sneak back there. We're a little bit late, so got a little bit of a walk ahead of us. We'll go from there. Guys, it's 7:45 and we've had a couple deer come in on us already. Unfortunately, they got downwind. We think it was a doe and a fawn. It was still pretty dark, but this morning just feels like a morning that a big one should be on his feet. We got a strong breeze. Leaves are falling. It's nice and cool. If you're a hunter, you know what I'm talking about. Some mornings just feel good, and this feels like a good morning. So we'll sit for a few hours, see if any bucks cruise through here. I don't see why they wouldn't, but we'll find out soon enough. Well, we just had an encounter with a pretty nice young buck. He's probably a 2.5-year-old. It's funny though, about an hour, 2 hours ago now, he was actually on our screen camera over by the food plots and headed the other direction. So I don't know if he's just making loops or what. I threw some grunts at him just because I wanted to see how he would react, to maybe get a handle on what the deer are feeling. He wasn't really interested, but I don't know if he could really tell where it was coming from either. He was looking all over the place. So, nonetheless, that's the first buck we've seen today. So, good encounter, and we'll probably give it a little while yet. Maybe they'll just move late this morning. to see if I can get these suckers to come in here. This is my specialty. Can you see them? I can see one. I'm filming it right now. Might not have had the best deer hunt, but my confidence with turkey calling just went through the roof. We just had a flock of, I don't know, probably 20, 25 hens come through. That was a pretty cool interaction. I love turkeys, so that was fun. Alright, Jake and I are back in here this morning. It's Sunday, October 27th, and we're heading into the same spot we were yesterday, just a different stand. We pulled a trail camera, and there's a couple good bucks that we know very well back here. I think we're starting to figure out where they're living and spending a lot of their time. But more importantly, there's a couple big scrapes right back here, and they were pretty freshened up yesterday, but we got a big rain that came through, so I'm hoping they cruise right by, can give me a 20, 25 yard shot. That would be ideal, but it's windy as all get out. It's like 25-mile-an-hour winds, so I don't know what the deer are gonna do, but can't kill them at home, so we're gonna give it a whirl. We are running a little bit late like we were yesterday, so we're gonna head back right now. Hope to get it done. quiet because we just had an encounter with a buck, and we didn't see him until he was directly below the stand. We can't hear anything because of this wind. It's like 25-mile-an-hour winds. I literally had somebody message me on Instagram and say, you guys are crazy for being in a tree right now, which we probably are, but that was the first deer of the day, a little 6-pointer. He gave me a perfect opportunity for a shot, so if we could get a big one to do that, it'd be awesome. For as miserable and windy as it is, it was actually a pretty fun hunt. That buck came right underneath the stand, and then that squirrel I thought was going to jump on me. So I'm going to hang a camera right now over a scrape, and then we're going to